that together. Fall in love with our true selves. Imagine you are about to go to a party. You are excited but also nervous, like there's a second heartbeat in your stomach. Something's holding you back from feeling too happy, as if a voice is saying, don't get too excited. You should be careful or something bad might happen. So you start thinking, what if there are too many strangers or some people you don't like? What if you're not dressed right? What if your joke don't land and make you look weird? When some of these things actually happen, your mind races, your heart pounds, and you feel like you are detached from yourself. It's like an out-of-body experience, watching yourself talk, and you want to stop the chaos but can't. This has been happening to you in social situations for a long time. Whenever you are in crowded places, the panic case, even on buses, where being surrounded by people makes you feel suffocated, nauseous, and anxious. To avoid this, you start escaping many social events. This is anxiety disorder. What I can tell you is that struggling with anxiety is far more common than people think. Around 1 in 14 people worldwide are diagnosed with it, with nearly 15 billion spent on treatment each year. But many don't grasp how serious this mental health issue really is. They say it's just an emotional weakness to overcome. Today we will begin by exploring the difference between anxiety disorder and regular anxiety. By understanding anxiety disorder better, we can learn to manage it effectively and protect the happiness in our lives. Many people struggle to tell the difference between normal anxiety and anxiety disorder, often asking questions like, is anxiety just a personality trait? Is it a disease? Or is it a normal feeling died of in animal attacks and natural disasters? Through generations of humans, anxiety has been coded in our genes like a survival code. It kicks in during stressful situations, which are often linked to danger. For example, walking down a dimly lit street at night with few people or cars around and hearing strange noises. You naturally feel anxious and want to get out there. This is normal anxiety. While it's not pleasant, it's actually helpful because it protects you from danger. In everyday life, normal anxiety pushes you to meet deadlines, perform well in important exams, and handle life's emergencies. Usually, the relationship between performance and anxiety can be shown as an inverted U-shape. This means that when anxiety is at a moderate level, we perform at our best. When normal anxiety escalates to an extreme and generalized, occurring in situations that aren't truly threatening and accompanied by intense physical and emotional reactions, it may indicate an anxiety disorder. They might constantly fret about forgetting to log a filing cabinet, checking it multiple times, or even returning to the office just to make sure. They may also show symptoms like restlessness, fear, trouble sleeping at night, and difficulty concentrating during the day. This can make it hard to keep their jobs and can strain intimate relationships. In severe cases, it might lead to depression or even suicidal thoughts. Anxiety disorders seriously affect daily life and greatly reduce our happiness. The bad news is that in this stressful, uncertain era, the chances of developing anxiety disorder have significantly increased. The good news is that there are effective coping strategies to help us overcome anxiety disorder and coexist peacefully with normal anxiety. This set of strategies includes 2 key points. Firstly, make yourself feel in control of your life. Secondly, being able to forgive yourself. This is crucial and highly effective in dealing with anxiety disorders. Research shows that people who think, I know this is the life I want, generally have a better mental health, even if their life aren't always easy. They aren't typically afraid of making mistakes or choosing a less than ideal path. J.K. Chesterton, author of the Father Brown detective novels, once said, anything worth doing is worth doing badly at the first time. When we see not doing something well as a chance to grow and can forgive ourselves for mistake or feeling embarrassed, we can live better with anxiety. This way, anxiety can become a good partner that pushes us to do our best. It brings us true happiness and helps us escape anxiety's grip. This doesn't mean we need others' approval to live. Rather, those who ignore others are more likely to face mental health challenges. Thanks for watching.